Hello everyone, I just want to do some recap in terms of my trading today and just show you some strategy that I took in the pre-market and up to the opening. So here is the video, the recap. About 8 o'clock I found some stocks to trade. Let's take a look at this video here. So I'm looking at FRZA. There's some news there and then starts to spike up. So around 8 o'clock a.m. just a pre-market trade. Have to be patient to see whether this thing want to move or not. So we see a high here of about 3.2, and just look at the level 2 there, and then see some green on the tape. So here I'm already in and added 2,000 shares. Just want to break off the 320. That is the strategy. Break up pre-market high. And you can see here there's like a volume coming in, volume bar, and then the 3 to 5 minutes chart here, and then here is the 1 minute chart. And it's kind of slowed down a bit. So I have to make sure that I have a tight stop. My stop here is about 10 cents to 15 cents. You see, depends on the volume, but I keep seeing green on the tape, so I hold it a bit longer. Continue to see green, right? So there are people buying it still. It's not a flush down. So give it a bit of time to let the stock work out. You can see now on the ask, it's going back up now, so 306. So I cut it. Didn't see that it's gonna bounce, so I just cut it. So now looking at the stock, things start to move. Is TMBR. So TMBR hit the momentum scanner, and now it starts to do a pullback to see it's gonna come back up, right? So I saw that it's trying to going back up now, so I added to about 6,000 shares. More volume coming in, so I sell half, and then see it's gonna come up to the remainder of my shares, what 3,000 share left. So send the orders to sell, then execute. There's something wrong with the dash trade right there. So I got out at 272. So a decent profit, right? Going back in. Push up higher to see a break of 3. If not, then I have to get out. Then I got out. There 4 cents play there, but this now is at the high of the candle, so I have to be careful. Don't want to get in too much in size, and it's too much to just, the risk is not there, right? So you get in too high to earn like another 5 to 10 cents, but then it will flush down. So you have to be careful of that. So let the stock come down to see what happens. So I think that's the trade there. So size up, as you can see, that's it's going up higher, and exit when half when you make some profit of like 20 cents there, and then sell the rest. I'll sell the rest at break even. Let me fast forward this thing. See, yeah. So do not take any trade after that. Okay, I got in here again. So you see this one here, it goes down, right? I think I'm going to take the break of VWAP around here. So let's draw my trend line. So that's double bottom, right? And then here's the VWAP is at 264. So I'm trying to anticipate the break of VWAP. Okay, I see some volume coming in now. Oh, the break of this high candle here, 87. So I got in at 2.9. And try and sell it at 3 to see if it goes up or not. Okay, see, it's not working. I should get out. And continue to hold. I add it. Trying to look for the break of pre-market high, so we're going to $3. Okay, I'm trying to get myself out there. So half at 2.9. Okay, didn't go. So I have cushion, right? So right now, just to let the stock work itself. So it's coming back down now to 83, 84. There's a bit of spread here. So okay, now it works. It's going up, selling. Maybe I just cut the rest out just to get a small loss there. So I should have cut everything up there when it goes, right? But I held it anticipating that it might go further, but it should also stop and break even a bit. See if I cut this or I add it. Okay, see some green now. So I scale out. So I saw at 2.91. So just a small win, but it's pretty risky a bit too. If it's flushed down, it'll be down a lot, right? So jump back in, anticipate break of 3. Okay, there you go, 3, selling. Couldn't get out because there's a spread. But as well, yeah, 3.1. So this is a pretty good 11 cents there. Now I just let it ride, so I can continue to go, continue to buy it, but it's just more risk now because it's, at the pre-market high, right? So the risk of flushing down, it's very high likely. So right now I'm just watching. It's pretty good. Pre-market trade up about 1,234. Hey, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So now it's only 8:16. So it's a long way to the market open. So I think that's all for this trade there. So I'm trying to draw a trend line here. So didn't take any more trade. Let's see what's the other trade I take before the market opens. Okay, so I went back in here. Okay, what is... Okay. This is anticipating breaking of 3 whole dollar. Fast forward. Okay. Let's see again. Why did I go into this one? See, that's okay. Break a VWAP play. So 2.77 is the VWAP. So I got in 2.8. I added, did I? I added. Okay, so 6,000 shares now. So anticipating the break of 3, right? Because break at the VWAP and I see it go higher. Okay, so it's 2.9. See green on a tape. trying to get out, break even, because it's not working. Because it's the spread, right? So selling at the ask. You got a pretty much break even trade. It didn't go, so if it didn't go, get out kind of strategy. Okay, see this other trade here. Five minutes, 3 minutes before. Okay, there's the market open. Let's see if I take any trade here. So the market opens. All right, this thing start to move up. FRZA. See, it's moving up in 1 minute. Okay, take 500 shares. It's moving up to see the break of that level there that I drew from pre-market high. Okay, coming down, there's an average down a bit. No, I didn't. I anticipated to go up higher. So make sure I'm gonna cut this out. Send a limits to sell 2.99. Didn't take it. I think I had to cut it at a bid. Yeah, I think so. Yeah. So I sold at a bid at a loss. About 4. Now it's like that stock there, but I lost about 455 now on FRZA. Moving on. Okay. CJET start to move. All right, it's strong. It's about VWAP, so it's about VWAP play. That's the strategy. So VWAP's around 5.95. Okay, add it. So 3,000 shares, 611. So about 6 cents. Continue. See if we jump back in. Look at the tape. It's green. Just scared it's gonna flush down, right? So that's hesitating to jump back in quickly. So now, okay, there you go. It's coming back down. So a pullback. See that hole? It's got 1 minute pullback there. Wow, could take that 1 minute pullback. Okay, buying the dip. 623 and sell it out. 632. Not bad. About 9 cents trade there. Back in again. 648. This thing is buying too high right there. Okay. It's the spread. It's just yeah. It's coming back down now. Should we cut it out? 10 cents loss already. I think anticipating this just to move up higher here, but it might just come down right here. So it looks coming down. I cut this loss here. No, continue to hold it. Oh my goodness. Bad trade. So I average down for this one. Now I'm down about 10 cents on it. Wow. Okay, it's kind of strong. Pushing back up. Did I get out? Yeah, I think I got out. Break even. Lucky. Well, it's chopping around now, so I think it's just moving. Not sure I traded again. Okay, moving on to another stock. Looking at out of opportunity. TMBR. Nothing for this one. There's a flush down with CJET. Oh, luckily. Yeah, these type of stock is pretty, you know, that's why you like to get out quickly and then tight stop, and that's a strategy. I'll go back in, okay. Let's see that again, what I get back in, what's the reason? Okay, so I'm looking, okay, I think anticipate of a bounce. So another thing is, if I see it breaks VWAP again, I'll anticipate breaking VWAP and I'll take it again. So let's see if this is the reason I took it. Okay, so VWAP's at 605. So I got in, anticipated break of VWAP. So starter size about 500. Am I adding or am I cutting here? All right, so it's pushing back up higher to VWAP 604, 605. Okay, break it. And I got out. So I didn't add, but I just got out. That's a good trade. Because this continue to go higher. So the strategy is breaking VWAP, right? So VWAP play right now. So anticipating the break of VWAP at 605, which is it did. Okay, here's anticipating the break of the high of day. Right, the high of day it's around here, I think 650. But it didn't work out, I guess. Am I adding now? Oh no, down about 30 cents. I'm gonna cut it. Okay, I added. Because a break of it's going to bounce the VWAP again. Okay, all right, I get out here to get break even. No, I held it. I was able to get it out to break even. Why did I held this? Okay, maybe I'm thinking that it would bounce harder, but you know, should have cut that one there. Bad trade. Let's see if we got out, break even, or a profit in this one. Yeah, so the best strategy is to cut it out quickly, and then you can go back in if you want to, right? Okay, so yeah, so I start to sell a scale out now if I make some profit there. Whoa. Luckily it bounced back up. But yeah, so that was a risky trade there. I held a bit longer. So it's not 938 now. Pretty good trading sessions right now, up about 1,600. So the setup right now is pretty much done for CJET there. I just need to, the pattern's not there to trade, so I did, okay, so yeah, see, I got in and got out quickly. For this one here, just a bounce of VWAP. So that's a pretty good entry at the VWAP bounce, right? So if it doesn't work, you get out. Let's see this other trade that I took. Okay, this thing now pushing up CJET again. Let's see, I think I took some trade there. Okay, there we go. So anticipate a break of the high of day. See green coming in. Okay, here we go. Green, 38, 40, I got in. 6.4, 500 shares. Okay, am I gonna add? Okay, add it. 48, 50, oh my goodness, 67, take a profit yet? Okay, so 66. That's a good trade there. Excellent trade. Yeah, I think that's it for now. I think it's gonna, what happened here? Anticipate break of 7. Okay, there you go, break of 7. Oh, it's gonna halt. And halted. All right, it's going to show you for up to here for now. Thank you for watching, and catch you later. Bye.